In the figure below, not drawn to scale, please don't take out a projector, it won't work. PQR is an equilateral triangle and QRST is a square. Find angle X. So equilateral triangle, what's so special is that all sides are the same. And for square, all sides are also the same. So it will be like this. Another thing about equilateral triangle is that all angles are the same, which means this angle is 60. This angle is 60. This guy over here is also 60 degree. How do I get 60, right? Just take angle sum in the triangle, divide it by 3, because there are 3 equal angles. So this will give you 60 degree. Next up, I hope you can see this 90 degree over here, because they are just corners of a square. Okay, next part will be super duper important, so I hope you listen up. So next up, I want you to focus on this triangle over here. This triangle over here is the same thing as this triangle over here. So we just have to do one part and the other one will be the same. So just focus on the one on the left. So for this triangle over here, can you see that it's actually a isosceles triangle? So there's these two lines here, right? Which shows that they are equal, right? So it's actually an isosceles triangle, which means that you can find these two blue angles over here. So you can go and find angle RPS, which is also equals to angle RSP. And that's just 180 degree, angle sum in the triangle, minus 90, minus 60 degree, then the whole thing divided by 2. So you should get 30 degree divided by 2, which is just 15 degree. So the blue angle over here is 15 degree, 15 degree. It will be good if you can write the rules at the side. So what do you use? You use angle sum in the triangle, add up to 180. And you also use isosceles triangle rule. For this part, you use the equilateral triangle rule. Equilateral triangle. So like I said, the orange triangle is equals to the green triangle, which means all the angles will be the same. Which means that this guy is also 15 degree. This guy is also 15 degree. So to find out what X is, right? Can you see that you just need to take 60 minus 15 minus 15. So to find angle X, you just have to take 60 degree minus 15 degree minus 15 degree. And that should give you 30 degree. That's why the answer is 30 degree. I hope it's clear. If you have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment section below.